So this is the lesson number 3, lecture number 3 and the part 1. So in this lecture we will discuss how we can select from a data frame, how we can select a column from the data frame. So first we have to import the pandas as mentioned in an earlier video, and then we have already a CSV file. If we print the content of the CSV file, it is look like this. It has index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3 column, index 0, 1, 0, 2. Okay, so if I run this one, you see the content is this one. If I want to select the first column, which is called index, I can print or select by this. So it's a df, big bracket, square bracket, and then inside the string the name of the column. If I run this, you see the content of index. If I want to get the second column, then what I do is I say look like this, and I rerun it. You see the content ABC, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are default index. If you want to, if you know the column, then you can use the dot operation also. You mean the df, then the name of the column. If you do this, then you will see the content of file. Thank you.